Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this dark blue or navy blue Paracord 550, the red one, the blue one and the white one, the Carabinier and the O-ring. But before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful and elegant Paracord bracelet, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So I'm gonna set aside these three strands, red, blue and white, and we're gonna take our jig, place the carabiner, sorry, the wrong side, and the O-ring. The space between the carabiner and the O-ring is about 3.5 inches or roughly 8 centimeters. So now I'm gonna take this dark blue and pull them together to find the center. Here we have a center. Let me just zoom a bit. And from here we're gonna take this bite and pass it from the top into the O-ring. Then we're gonna return it from the back through the loop we created with those two strands and pull them through. This way we created the basic cow's hitches. Now set left side to the left and the right strand to the right side, and we're gonna simply return it from the back. So the right side strand from the back through the O-ring, and we're gonna create one more loop. Then we're gonna take our strand and pass it from the top into that loop. So we're gonna create a little wider base or a core for our project, and with the left strand as well from the back through, and then from the top through the loop. Now on the top side of carabiner, and here we're gonna insert our working ends as well into this core. So take the red, blue and white and pass it under this one and on top of these two and under the next one together. And now we're gonna secure this. So take the right side, pinch it from the back like so, and then around and under these three strands, and then we're gonna pull it from the back through the carabiner, and we're gonna return it on top of those three strands and through the loop here. So as you can see, we have our bracelet base done. Important thing, these strands are equal, the left and the right side are equal, so have that in mind. And now we're gonna continue. Take the left strand of a dark blue, place it from the back through and on top of the right side core strand. Then we're gonna take the right side dark blue, place it on top of the left side strand and from the back through the middle, and then from the top into the loop on the left side. And we have crossed our strands. Now we're gonna take the white strand from the left side, cross it to the right side, and then around this loop here, and from the back through, like so. Then we're gonna take the, sorry about the focus, we're gonna take the blue one, and from the top into the middle between these two core strands, around them, and from the back through. And now we're gonna take the right side red strand, also from the top into the middle, around these crossing core strands, and then from the back through. So this is the first part. Now we're gonna do the second one. We're gonna take the right side red, cross it to the left side, and we're gonna make it around these two strands of the left side loop. So to the right side, around, and then from the back through the loop, pull it. Now we're gonna take the blue one, and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle between these two core strands, again around, and from the back through and to the top. And then on the last one, we're gonna take the right side white, pass it on top of these three strands here, and then from the top into the middle, around the core strands, and from the back through the middle one more time, and to the top, like so. Now as you can see, all our strands are wrapped around and the working end heading to the right side, as you can clearly see. So that's the important thing. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. Now we're gonna repeat. Take the navy blue from the back through the middle and on top of this right side core strand, then with this right side navy blue on top of the left side strand, under from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the left, like so. Then take the white strand on the left side, cross it to the right side, and then around these core strands and from the back through the loop. Then take the blue strand from the top into the middle, around and from the back through, and the red strand from the top into the middle, around and from the back through. Now we're gonna take the red strand on the left side, on the right side, and cross it to the left, around these two strands and from the back through. Again, pay attention, the strand, the working end needs to be on the right side of the strand. Now we're gonna take the blue from the top into the middle and from the back through, and with the white one as well. So into the middle, around the core strands and from the back through. And now we're gonna cinch it